Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you another great Python plugin you'll want to start taking advantage of, and that is Compare Files version 1.2. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will benefit, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. I'm in Eclipse 12 and I'm going to open up my plugin manager. I'll click on Available at the top, and what I'm looking for is Compare Files. Now we also have Compare Files with highlights, which I'll cover in a future video. Compare Files will look at two different Eclipse documents, such as your original and the one returned from your scopist. It will analyze both documents and then return a report that includes the total number of characters compared, the number of edits detected, and the percentage of the text that was edited. This plugin will give you a very simple report that gives you statistical information about the document. Compare Files with highlights gives you much more in-depth information. Now let's take a look at exactly what you'll get when you use Compare Files. So I'm going to download, and I'll enable the plugin. I'll click OK, and then Yes to restart Eclipse. I'll choose my user and press OK. I'll be able to find the command for Compare Files under the Plugins menu. And we see here that it says Compare Files. I'll select it, and first I'm going to choose the first file, which in this case I'll choose File A, and then I'm going to choose the second file I wish to compare to, which I've named File B. These files are replicas of each other, but I've changed just a few things in File B. Eclipse will read both files, and then it will produce a small report that tells me how much of the document was changed. So in this example, it compared a total of 142,894 characters. Within that character set, it found 5,370 changes, and that is a 3% difference between both of the files. Now, this is all of the information that this report generates. It just lets me know exactly how much of the document was changed and how many edits were detected. This does not give me any information about what kinds of edits were made. This is a very simple report-based plugin. You can highlight this text and copy it if you'd like to for any reason, or you can simply press OK to dismiss it. This plugin is a great way to get an idea of how much of your document is being changed either when you edit it or when someone else does. Or you can compare your results from previous and more recent practice results. For whatever reason you need to know this information, it is available with the Compare Files plugin. And again, once the plugin is downloaded and enabled, you'll find the tool under Plugins and then Compare Files. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button on your way out, and have a great day.